Finding the right flow with an AI can be a total game changer. But sitting at your computer and listening to a voice that sounds nothing like what you want is a quick way to kill your productivity. You probably spend a lot of time looking at that chat interface. So why settle for a default setting that doesn't fit your vibe? It is time to dive into the settings and finally change ChatGPT voice on desktop so your AI assistant actually sounds like someone you want to talk to. You might think these customization options are buried or only available on your phone, but that is a common mistake that keeps people stuck with the same robotic tone for months. Ready to fix this? Open up your favorite browser and head over to chatgpt.com. Make sure you are signed into your account so all these changes actually stick to your profile. Now, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your account name. This opens up a small menu where you need to select Settings. Once that window pops up, stay on the General tab and look toward the bottom of the list. There it is, the Voice section. You can click the play button right there to hear what your current selection sounds like. If it isn't hitting the mark, just click that little drop-down menu on the right. You will see a list of different options like Breeze or Juniper. Go ahead and click through them, play the previews, and see which one feels right for your workflow. Once you pick one, you are all set. The next time you ask the AI to read a response aloud, it will use that brand new voice you just picked. Why does OpenAI even give us these choices? It is mostly because the way we process information changes based on the tone and pitch of the speaker. A voice that sounds too clinical might make you glaze over during a long technical explanation, while something warmer might help you stay engaged while you're brainstorming a new project. Having these options exists to help you personalize the experience, so the AI feels less like a cold machine and more like a tailored tool that fits your specific personality.